Okay, guys. So I just looked at the weather again for Georgia, and the low is gonna be 29 on Friday. So, and for the rest of the week, it's gonna be like in the low 40s, upper 60s, some 50s. I'm gonna leave this alone. This is the the big tomato plant. I'm gonna leave her alone until Thursday. Or should I just let her ride out that first night of cold? Cause we're just gonna see how it grow from now to Thursday. Cause I already see some branches turning brown. Like it's starting to die back on its own. So I don't know if I just need to go ahead and put her out of her misery. She had a long life. But I don't know. We'll see. But for now, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be 29 on Friday, so I'ma let it grow, let it do its thing until the end. In the meantime, I need to rework all of this. Okay. So I gotta get my mind and my thoughts right, because I really need to be able to get up on here with these peach plants, with the peach trees. That's gonna be for like you see, new seedlings and stuff like that. So it's not a major issue. I might just turn it and let it face that way instead of facing the wall, because that makes sense. I don't know why I did that. But anyway, I'm gonna turn that way. I'm going to put this on the ground so that hole for drainage, see, is there. So I just need to let it sit on the ground and let the water drain to the ground instead of on the pallet. Or I could slide it over where the hole is lined up with one of the cracks of the pallet. So, yeah, all things will work out, and I will see y'all in a little bit. Love you. Okay, guys, here's what I got so far. Okay, so it's my radishes right here. This is not staying. I got my friend who's gonna drill some more holes in my pan before I replant anything in it. Y'all know the peaches. Y'all gotta help me name the peaches. Help me name the peach plants, okay? This we just gonna let it dry out and do what it do, and then we'll let these continue to grow. I took them out the bags so they can get some light. I got some mold going, so I gotta go in and get some cinnamon. Zesty Chavez is the only one that hasn't like really given his all just yet, but we know he's coming. Okay, so they need a little more life on them. I put these rocks up here because it's windy, just in case we have any blowdown. They are secured and locked in place, and everybody is like kind of like huddled in close together so they can all stay warm. That was my husband's idea. He's so fine. But yeah, that's what I got so far. Then I'm gonna clean up my mess and call it a day. I'm not transplanting those like I thought I was going to. After I took them out and did some observations, I'm gonna let them stay in there a little bit longer. Let them get acclimated to being out in the open air. and see what happens in the next few days with them. And yeah, that's all I got. I love you guys. Stick with me, and see you in the next video.